Hi everyone, happy Ugadi and Gudi Parva. So today we will talk about temporary tables in SQL. So here you can see we have two types of temporary tables. One is global temporary table and other one is local temporary table. To make a local temporary table, we need to use a single hashtag. So here I am creating a local temporary table called student, and in student I am inserting some few values into this particular table. The one thing which is related to the local temporary table is that you can only access a particular local temporary table within a session. You can't use it outside a session. Similar to that, if I try to access that particular local temporary table outside the session, so here I've created a new query window, and in the new query window I'm trying to select the values from the local temporary table, and when I execute it, you can see that that particular local temporary table do not exist. Now we have another temporary table, that is global temporary table. To make a global temporary table, you need to use double hashtag the table. Okay, so here I am creating a global temporary table for teachers, and if I execute it, you can see that it is being executed, and I'm trying to insert few values into this particular global temporary table. So you can see that we have 5 rows are affected, and if I select the values from this particular value, if I trying to select the value from this particular global temporary table, you can see the data is available, but it is also available in the other session as well. So okay, I'm trying to hit that particular global temporary table outside the session, so I'm just using, and if I run it, you can see that data is available outside the session also. For a temporary table, we have two types of temporary table, that is local temporary table and global temporary table. A local temporary table always starts with a single hashtag, whereas a global temporary table starts with double hashtag. We cannot access value outside the session for a local temporary table, whereas a global temporary table data can be accessed within session as well as outside the session.